Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I will explain about an article. The title is Flipping the Classroom to Enhance EFL Students' Listening Skill. The author is Korea, 2021. Okay, this is the part of table of contents. Number 1 is introduction, number 2 method, number 3 findings, number 4 discussion, and the last one is conclusion. This is the part of introductions. As the basic receptive skill among the 4 language skills, listening is generally more able to participate effectively in learning. Unfortunately, most EFL students fail to cope with by EFL learners with regard to their listening difficulties. However, in a traditional language class, many scholars have indicated that students gain insufficient language input despite class time limitation, resulting in ineffective teaching methods to facilitate the learning process, rapid growth of technology advancement, and the improvement of EFL's teaching between students and teachers to keep the teaching materials and activities. Consequently, technology enables students to improve their multitasking skills, learning such as increasing students' interest and learning motivations, providing ample access to target language or TL input, and increasing opportunities. The flipped classrooms notion is fundamentally defined as the implementation of a classroom using blended learning, where students are advanced of class and use their time for discussion and problem solving in class activities. Further, computer-assisted language learning or CALL classroom is strongly required to have two essential components: computer-based instruction for individual students as pre-class activities. Next, this is a part of method. A, research design. This research employed a mixed method investigating the flipped classrooms treatment is given or pre-test, and after the treatment or post-test. To know the impact of flipped classroom, students were asked to join pre-test on TOEFL-like listening comprehensions and post-test after the treatment. Using flipped classroom, focusing on listening part of TOEFL like the perception in experiencing the flipped classroom. B. Participants. Further, the critical listening course primarily aims to advance students' listening skills, particularly everyday listening exercises in different contexts, and several listening tests such as TOEFL-like listening tests and several listening real tests of TOEFL from Longman preparation course. C. Data collection. Lecturing videos, studying TOEFL-like materials from websites. Students watch the lecture videos for the next lecture each week to learn the basic materials prior to class. Therefore, students were involved in the learning process by learning from each other. D. Data analysis. The researcher adopted the reliable TOEFL-like test using Longman Book Malam. The Kolmogorov-Smirnov test was used to analyze the normality. Further, based on the result of the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, the researcher decided to use Wilcoxon sign rank test to analyze. Meanwhile, in terms of qualitative data, the results of the open-ended questions. The next part is findings. Number 1, the impact of the flipped classroom on EFL students' listening comprehension skill. After having the treatment, a 4-week intensive flipped classroom, the result of the student post-test increased compared to the result of the pre-test. Number 2, the students' perceptions of their experience for having a flipped classroom. The students also felt that they become more motivated and more convenient to have their own learning pace. There are 5 results that we have checked from this research. A. Autonomous. B. Motivation. C. Usefulness. D. Satisfactions. And E. Drawbacks. The next part is discussion. Number 1, the impact of the flipped classroom on EFL students' listening comprehension skill. In this study, flipped classroom helps learners access pre-class input and use the whole class time to improve their listening skills and understanding. Further, the students are more encouraged to ask any questions either face-to-face or online. During in-class activities, students are required to work. Number 2, the students' perceptions of their experience for having a flipped classroom. Furthermore, flipping classroom results not only enhance students' listening previous studies regarding autonomous learning and flipped classroom. Those studies, flipped classroom generally helps learners take the role as independent learners, being highly responsible for their own learning, independently master material outside the classroom to develop their listening. Classroom helps the students to learn the materials easily everywhere and anywhere. And the last one, or the last part is conclusion. So this present study concludes that the flipped classroom method in EFL listening classrooms promotes an effective approach to enhancing the students' listening skills, especially for tools like listening tests during the implementation of the flipped classroom learning process, such as motivation and learning strategies that provide a wider perspective on the implementation of the flipped classroom EFL classroom. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.